Are you thinking of getting married? That's a beautiful thing. And I take it very seriously. I'm a certified wedding celebrant. I help people get married legally in BC and pretty much anywhere in Canada. I can get the papers to do that. So that's one way I can help you. But another way is I offer a sacred marriage program because I think most of us, when we get into marriage, have no idea about how it's going to fuck with us. And it'll fuck with us in a great way if we're ready for that, but most of us are not ready, and so it's a pretty horrible experience at some point. And we doubt ourselves and we doubt the other person, and all of that's normal. So if you're there, or if you're thinking of getting married, I'd love to have a quick chat with you, no charge. Maybe I can say a few things that'll help you move through it, and maybe you'll sign up for a course, that's fine, but mostly I just want to see people succeed in their marriages. Be in touch.